Welcome back to Scotties Hobbies. Are you guys ready for another giveaway? Last week we gave away the Blue Driver OBD2 scan tool. This is my favorite gizmo to keep with me on the go when it comes to pulling check engine lights, either on my vehicle or a friend's vehicle if they have a check engine light on. A very, very good bang for your buck. Look for a link in the description below to get one of these. But this time we are giving away a jump box and tire inflator combo all in one that does a bunch of stuff. I'm going to tell you how to get entered to win this in just a moment, but before we go too far, please hit that like button right now, subscribe, check out the video library for a ton of automotive helpful DIY videos and emissions deregulations videos when we're all said and done with this one. And to win this, it's going to be real easy. All you got to do is comment in the comment section below. For every comment, it's going to be one person. For every person that comments, you will be entered to win this. I will be choosing a winner on November 6th to win one of these. And what does this do? Really, it does a ton of stuff. First off, like I said, it is a jump box. So it comes with the jumper cables, then a tire inflator. But wait, it does more. It also comes with the adapters to fill up like inflatables at the lake or when you're on the water. And you could also fill up balls like basketballs, footballs, all that good stuff. Up here on top, you have a flashlight that is either solid or it flashes in cases of emergency situations. You can set this on top of your car and let it flash in the direction of oncoming traffic so they can see you just in case you have to wait for a tow or something like that. But wait, that's not it. Right here on top, you could charge a device using a USB charging port. The USB Class C is the one that actually charges this device. But wait, there's more. It comes with a carrying case that everything fits into. Now, if you want one of these, before the giveaway, or to give away as a gift or anything like that, look for a link in the description below. That'll take you on over to Amazon. I will also include my coupon code. If you use that coupon code, and I believe if you have Amazon Prime, I'm not sure, but it'll take your total down to $55.99 for one of these things. That's an amazing deal for this. Now, the max PSI, actually, when you set this, when you use this, you could change, let me get over here. It automatically shuts off, so you could change the PSI. It's at 31, 30, you go up or down. So when you put this onto your tire and you turn it on, it'll stop at whatever you set it to, which is pretty nice. I really like that. And it goes up to, what was it? Max tire pressure is, I believe it was 150 PSI. It says it right there on front. And it's a 3,000 amp jump box. So this could jump up to a 9.0 liter gas engine or a 6.5 liter diesel engine. Now, all you got to do, comment below, get entered to win this. I will be choosing a winner on November 6th to win this, and I will drop ship it via Amazon to your doorstep. Now, if you want one of these, don't forget, look for a link in the description below, use my coupon code, and you can get one of these for $55.99 while supplies last. So go get one right now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, check out Scotties Hobbies video library, and I will see you guys on the next, hopefully helpful video.